Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Wanted to show you something that maybe some guys won't know, maybe some of you guys will know, but it is actually really cool. So you have 3 map modes on the newer 4Runners. So your 2021, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. If it has the JBL system with the integrated maps, you've got 3 map modes that you can use. And I'm going to show you how to get into all of those. So first off, what I want to show you is that this is your main. So if you're in the home screen right here, you can see this is right here to get to your map. You tap this and you can get to your map. Also, if you're in the home screen again, you can hit this button and get to your map this way. Both do the same thing. This right here will change the orientation. So this is 3D. This is north is up at this point. This is your 2D, but that's with the direction you're heading up. This is 3D. So whichever way you want to see, of course. But there is something else you can do. If you hit this button right here, then you can change your map mode. So your map mode is right here. If you hit dual map, you'll be able to see 2 different maps, and one can be closer, farther away. You can move this one out so you can get a little closer, a little further away. You can see how that map mode would be definitely useful for you. The other thing you can do is go back in here, map mode, and use the compass mode. So what's the compass mode? It's just what you think. It's going to show you a big compass that is on the side of the map. So those are your map modes right there. So I want to show you something else too. POI icons. If you want POI icons to show up on your map, you can do this and they'll go up. So I'm going to go back here real fast to the map mode. I'm going to go to just the map, just so that way you can see your POI icon. So there's a Shell station that's up ahead. So if I hit this, I can see that it's Shell. If I want to, I can hit go. Now I've set it to this Shell station, right? So it's going to give me that. And if I want to, I can see different routes, things along those lines, right? So now it's, from the route cloud and all this other stuff. So you can do this, right? So you can go where you want to go. You can set your destination. You can
Please
go in
proceed to the
here.
highlighted
Boom.
route. Then the route guidance will
You
start.
can shut off right there. You can shut off route guidance. You can go around things, route overview, route type, preferences, things like that. Whatever, you can go through all of those. Very, very easy to jump through here. You also have the ability to come over here and you can ask it to do things like this.
Before you start, consider view.
Cancel route.
Route canceled.
So now I've canceled the route, so now it goes away. So you can do all of this stuff via the push button, or you can do all of this stuff via voice recognition. I'm going to hit that voice recognition button again right here. Start a new route.
Say address, point of interest, preset, or previous destination.
Point of interest.
What would you like to find?
Gas.
Searching. Select the one you want.
And now
Say
you
next
can
page
see
for more items.
different things here. But it's going to allow you to do everything via voice. That way you can be completely hands-free and still use your map. So it's showing you a lot of the different ways that you can use this map, things that you can pop in here, things that you can look. So speed limit, traffic location, route trace, which is where you've been. You can see all different things that you can actually turn on, turn off, and different things that you can do with your map in your system here. So this is, like I said, the integrated nav system. So not everyone that has map will have the integrated system, of course. So if you notice that there's no map on your home screen, things like that, you can actually pop into and hit menu when you're on your home screen, hit setup here, customize home screen. And I know I'm going fast, hopefully you guys can rewind and kind of look at it, but you can reset. So if you want audio and you want audio down here, boom, you can move the audio down there. You can move the phone down here. You can put different things on. You want eco to show up, boom, now you can show eco, and when you come back to home, you're going to see the eco in there. And I know like I said, I know I'm going fast, but you guys can kind of go back there and see it again. Customize home screen, boom, you want to see phone goes down there, boom. Now when you hit home, you're going to see down here, it's going to have your select phone, things like that. All that stuff's very, very, very easy to use. It flows very well. You can do a lot of stuff with the system, and you can also come back in here and change things like the color and stuff like that on this integrated system here. And then if you're, you know, going into anything, you can kind of see how you'll have little differences with your icons and things along those lines. So it's just gives you the ability to jump through and do different things and make things look just a little bit different. But just wanted to give you a really quick overview of the integrated navigation system and some of the things that you can do with changing your map on the 2020 and newer Toyota 4Runner. Just a real quick tutorial. A couple of you asked for it, so went ahead and did that. And definitely like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.